So I have to download the ring.
Yeah.
So we're done installing it outside. Oh.
Oh, good. Well, I came back on.
Where is Loki? Again, that's an should not point it there because it wouldn't show. Can you see even like that?
Or maybe point it over here.
How about that?
There we go. Or you can like back it up and it'll be. There you go. That's even better. Tiny little screws.
Nice. I'm gonna lift up my pants.
What do you got?
Can you put it in your?
Yeah.
Because there's no. I don't know why
Okay.
my back is not accessible.
Okay. That's not a problem. I got it.
Sorry. Okay.
You're doing good. This is a small one too. I might have to get another.
Maybe this one's better.
The one?
Yeah, nothing.
So that's where like. Okay, let's just go to 20. And then. Okay, that's all it is. Of course, everybody's probably like, are they robbing the house or what are they doing? I did leave the other one.
Okay, turn it on. Okay, go.
Okay. And point. Okay, so that's where it's got the mounting there. And the back.
So right there. Okay.
Just don't bump it because it's.
Oh, yeah.
Okay. So now we're gonna go.
Red is on the left.
Yeah.
I'll post then.
Oh.
Because if you're having difficulties, then never mind the video then. Like, just make sure that. Yeah, something bit there.
Is I'd set it like right down the wall. I think it's gonna be like so. Screws.
Hold this one. Good thing it's the same height. The plastic is still there. Yeah, I'm gonna remove that one.
Hold on.
Oops.
make sure we get it
Straight?
straight up and down, otherwise it's going to look a little crooked. Go ahead and look and see.
Yeah, it is, because as long as it will line.
Yeah, I was going to say, almost like, wait, come back with the light. Does this not go a little bit that way?
That's good.
Okay.
As long as it's not so obvious diagonal.
Yeah.
Where are we gonna put the sticker? Because if that one goes right there, that's gonna get wet. Maybe on the there. Yeah.
I have to clean it though.
Oh, but I have to put it out today, the night after this video. I'll just wipe that area there.
Okay.
Cool, you can peel that off. Oh, you did that already, but we didn't know if it will turn on, it will rhyme.
If what?
If it properly, you know.
Install?
Yeah.
Oh.
Did you peel that? Okay, you peeled it away. This one is helpful too. Oh, sorry. This smallest one, like we can, just like a woman's tool. We can add
it's
it up.
got a special head on it to where it will only, so it, the reason behind it is got a special head on it.
What? I'll post it first.
So that way nobody with any screwdriver can just go up and just take it off. and stuff.
Yeah, that makes
So,
sense.
Otherwise somebody could just come up and just take your thing and go and stuff. So do you want to, are you recording?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Don't worry about the conversation. It's gonna be.
Hopefully my book crack isn't showing. Thank you.
Only one.
Yeah, that's it.
Should we put the? Put it. Wait, honey. I'm taking video. Okay. Okay.
Yep.
Cool. Yay!
Okay.
And yay!
Like
Okay, let's go inside. So I have to download the ring.
Yeah.
So we're done installing it outside.
Oh, good. Well, I came back up.
Outside, guys, and it's evening, so it's possible. As long as you have to turn off your main breaker or breaker from, the door where the doorbell is connected. So, and of course, flashlight, very needed. So, and after this, an Alexa voice would say something like ready to set up. So we have to download the Ring app from Google Store if you're using Android phones. Okay, we're done. I can see Colin is going out to buy grocery for our weekend grocery.
I can still hear you.
I know. Is it so loud?
The what?
Is it so loud?
It's not super loud.
That's cool. You look good.
I'm heading out. Well, gonna water the plants real quick. Then I'm heading out.
Okay, I got it.
Alright.
Love you.
Love you too.
I can still see you. I think you Colin is going out to buy grocery for our weekend grocery.
I can still hear you.
I know.
Okay.
Is it so loud?
The what?
Is it so loud?
It's not super loud.
That's cool. You look good. Hi, you guys.
He's like, Mom, I thought I lost you.
You might need, you guys might need water. I forgot, I got my, my paper in here. Take a man. You go first. Yeah, because you have this one.